Welcome to Action English Academy. In this lesson, you will learn different ways to say difficult in English.
You will learn the word, understand the meaning, hear examples, and watch the action. This will help you sound more natural and confident in English. So let's start the lesson. First word is difficult. Difficult is a very common word. It means something is hard to do or understand. It is often used when something needs effort or focus. For example, you can use it in different situations. For study, you can say, "This math problem is very difficult." For life situations, you can say, "It was a difficult decision to make." Repeat the sentences after me. This math problem is very difficult. It was a difficult decision to make. Now watch the action.
Why are you so quiet? This math problem is very difficult. What do you mean difficult? I don't understand it at all.
Are you really leaving?
Yes.
Was it easy to decide?
No. It was a difficult decision to make.
Next word is challenging. Challenging is a positive word. It means something is difficult but helps you grow. It is often used when something pushes your limits. For example, you can use it in different situations. For learning, you can say, "This game is challenging but fun." For work, you can say, "This project is challenging, but I like it." Repeat the sentences after me. This game is challenging but fun. This project is challenging, but I like it. Now watch the action.
Is the game easy? No, it's challenging. Then why are you smiling? Because it's challenging, but fun.
This looks hard. Are you okay?
Yeah, this project is challenging.
Then why not stop?
Because it's challenging, but I like it.
Next word is tricky. Tricky is an interesting word. It means something is a bit confusing or not straightforward. It is often used when you need to think carefully. For example, you can use it in different situations. For questions, you can say, "This question is tricky, read it carefully." For situations, you can say, "It's a tricky situation, be careful." Repeat the sentences after me. This question is tricky, read it carefully. It's a tricky situation, be careful. Now watch the action.
Why are you reading it again? Because this question is tricky. What do you mean? You have to read it carefully.
Why don't you say something?
It's a tricky situation.
Why tricky?
I need to be careful.
Next word is complicated. Complicated is a strong word. It means something has many parts and is hard to understand. It is often used when things feel complex. For example, you can use it in different situations. For machines, you can say, "This machine is complicated, I don't understand it." For relationships, you can say, "Their relationship is very complicated." Repeat the sentences after me. This machine is complicated, I don't understand it. Their relationship is very complicated. Now watch the action.
Can you fix it?
No, this machine is complicated.
What do you mean?
I don't understand it.
What's going on between you two?
It's complicated.
Why?
Our relationship is very complicated.
Last word is demanding. Demanding is a powerful word. It means something needs a lot of time, energy, or effort. It is often used when something feels tiring. For example, you can use it in different situations. For jobs, you can say, "This job is very demanding." For routines, you can say, "His daily routine is demanding and tiring." Repeat the sentences after me. This job is very demanding. His daily routine is demanding and tiring. Now watch the action.
You're still working?
Yeah,
Isn't this too much?
this job is very demanding.
Why are you always so busy?
My routine is demanding.
Every day?
Yeah, my daily routine is demanding and tiring.
Great job! Now you know different ways to say difficult in English. Which word was your favorite? Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Action English Academy. Learn English with actions. See you in the next lesson. Bye!